First on our list, an OMG moment in the battle between Twitter and Elon Musk. Elon Musk has put in a big offer to buy the entire social media platform. Musk is offering to buy 100% of the company for $43 billion or $54.20 per share. In Musk's letter to the chairman of the board, Brett Taylor, he says, quote, "I invested in Twitter as I believe in its potential to be the platform for free speech around the globe. And I believe free speech is a societal imperative for a functioning democracy. However, since making my investment, I now realize the company will neither thrive nor serve the societal imperative in its current form. Twitter needs to be transformed as a private company." Now, this is less than a week after it was revealed Musk had declined to join Twitter's board after becoming the company's largest shareholder. Jared, I almost don't even know where to begin. We were coming into the session probably talking about some inflation, some retail sales, you name it. But Musk really dropped this one here on the heads of many. Two observations. One, he notes in this SEC filing, Jared, that he's not threatening Twitter's management and their board with potentially dumping his shares if this deal isn't accepted. But of course, that's what it is, a threat. And that would not bode well for Twitter stock. And then secondarily, if you're Brett Taylor, the chairman of Twitter, how are you today? You were just recently appointed late last year as the co-CEO of Salesforce. That is supposed to be your full-time gig. Suddenly now you're fighting off one of the richest man in the entire universe.
Brian, I've said it before. I love the morning show. You come in with a plan, and it is immediately dissolved right after the morning meeting. There's so many angles. You're right. You know, funding secured. You have Elon Musk, who got in trouble with the SEC for tweeting. I mean, this is so meta. This story is so meta. So many different angles. You got to think about what is actually going to happen. Now, you mentioned the implied threat that if the offer is not accepted by the board, and who are they going to get to match or increase the offer? A lot of analysts saying not going to see anything above $50 billion for this company. Recently trading at, what, $70 a share, and now it's at $45.85. We'll have to see. Maybe they up the ante, or maybe somebody else ups the ante. But you got to think, if you're the board, you know, this is a stock that has done nothing since its IPO. It IPO'd basically at $26. It has traded sideways for the last 6-7 years, Brian.
No, operationally, Twitter has not got it done. We'll note early 2021, the stock did kind of get caught up in that meme stock frenzy, did top out at $80, but again, it IPO'd in the mid-20s. So $54 offer, $54.20, I should say, from Musk is sure looking pretty good here right now.